We are live at Fiesta Plaza in Movie Town. This is a Cup of Joe. We are celebrating 5. Wherever you're picking us up, guys, welcome, welcome, welcome. It's Friday night in Uptown, Port of Spain. And inside our audience tonight, we have a birthday celebrant. Her name is Jojo on Cup of Joe, celebrating 5. Happy birthday, Jojo. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. And on set with us, we have our very first taster joining Ronnie McIntosh. Ronnie feels he alone want to eat tonight. But we have Joy. Welcome, Joy. Joy to the world.
Go ahead, you sound good. Go ahead.
That sound good? That sound good? That sound good. Ladies and gentlemen, if it's your first time here, I'm seeing some repeat members in our audience, but this lady is all of 5'4". Her name is longer than she is taller. Chef Cheryl-Ann Shortt-Charles. I'll get tired saying her name all the time. She is here with a slice of Cheryl. Many people say it's a cup of Joe and a slice of Cheryl. And she is presenting to you Knorr's sides and sauces, and she has been whipping up some wonderful dishes using this fabulous product, Knorr's sides and sauces. What are you doing for us tonight, Cheryl?
So Knorr has taken it a little further and did some Alfredo sauce for you in a mix.
So I don't have to mix no milk.
No, you don't have to make a roux.
No roux, flour.
Finely ripe Parmesan cheese to add to it. Right?
Is it in one sauce?
It's in one sauce. All you have to do is put some milk,
right,
butter on the stove, and
you serious?
Open your pack.
No.
Empty it out.
Alfredo?
2 minutes time, you have Alfredo sauce. I know, huh?
Guys, Knorr is providing
food for people on the go, quick. You can't.
Busy.
Yeah, busy people. Look at that. It smells like Alfredo.
Yep.
It smells like Alfredo.
See, it's thickening up already.
Yeah.
So what I decided to do is to take it a little away from what we know, fettuccine Alfredo or linguine. And I decided to use it in a chicken pot pie.
Chicken pot pie.
Right.
Right.
Because we know making a chicken pot pie, you need that creaminess from maybe mushroom soup or creamy chicken soup.
Right. I've never made a chicken pot pie. Have you ever made a chicken pot pie?
No, sir. Macaroni pie.
Macaroni pie, no?
Macaroni pie.
It may go good in that as well,
yes,
right?
Macaroni pie.
So, we're going to put some oil. I have some mixed vegetables here.
Right, carrots.
We're going to saute down.
Nice, just show off now.
Yeah.
Just show off now, man.
I try that every day.
Yeah. Everything on the floor. Everything on the floor.
Mop and broom, yes?
Right.
Mop and broom and paper towel.
Then we have some chicken.
So that's just diced chicken?
Just diced chicken that I had already sauteed down in some garlic and black pepper.
Right, so you kind of pre-cooked that chicken already.
Right, pre-cooked it already. Now, while that is coming together, I also made a biscuit.
A biscuit?
To go on top of our chicken
Right,
pot
that's how
pie.
the chicken pot pie, it goes over.
Right.
Nice. Let me get that fusion.
Thank you. And look how simple this is, right? So this is ready. Are you smelling it?
I'm smelling it.
And all we do is we add.
So that's the Alfredo sauce right away there.
Alfredo sauce.
Milk, butter,
and
the
Knorr
Knorr sauces.
And that's it.
Wow.
Can you take that?
Wow.
Thank you. And that's it. Come together. Put your oven at 350. The biscuit dough. When I made a biscuit dough from scratch. If you want, you can buy.
You can buy the biscuit dough. There's a pastry dough, right? You can buy.
Right. I have my little bowl here. Pour it into it. Our biscuit dough on top of there. And we push them in the oven.
I like how it's a little serving size by itself.
It's a little serving size.
Yeah, Ronnie will need two. Ronnie will need two of those. Ronnie will need two.
I don't know.
You understand?
Right?
Ronnie will need
so we
two
have
of those.
some here that's finished.
You think it's joke I'm making one for Joy, two for Ronnie?
Nah, man. You gotta taste that too. Don't try that. You ain't leaving out yourself out of that, Joe. Come on.
Right?
You ain't missing out on
It
that.
looks good.
Yep.
So, all done. Quick, easy. The sauce takes about 2 minutes.
How long in the oven you said?
It will take about until the biscuit gets brown.
Mhm.
So I will say maybe about, because what I did, I brushed it with butter on top
With
of
some
it.
butter, with some
so it will
butter.
take about maybe 5 to 10 minutes, dependent.
Wow.
Because
That's good time.
not everybody oven works the same way,
Right.
right? So this is yours. This is yours. And the other one we will decide if we're giving it to Joel or not.
No, that is. That's the boss there.
We'll decide.
5 years,
We'll
you know.
decide. 5 years.
5 years.
5 years, 5 years.
5 years.
So
Must
quick
get one.
and easy. Come home in the afternoon, very tired, can't do anything. What am I going to feed those kids? They're knocking, mommy, we hungry, mommy, we hungry. Put your milk on 2 minutes for that. While that sauce is doing, saute your vegetables, you're good to go.
No sauce and sides, guys. It's an entire range. There's an Asian, there's a
Yes.
Mexican.
You have a wide range.
A wide range. Check them out in supermarkets right across the country. This is a slice of Cheryl. It's all brought to you courtesy the folks at Knorr. Eat up, guys. Eat up, eat up. We'll be right back. Fiesta Plaza Movie Town. We are in Uptown Port of Spain in Sweet Tea and Tea. And this is a cup of Joe celebrating 5.